So guys, today is going to be really unusual and useful video, of course, because in just one video, I'm going to have seven trading sessions by 10 minutes each. That's what we're going to do today, trading for 1 hour, but I'm going to divide it into 7 trading sessions and you're going to see it by your own eyes because even me, I don't know what kind of result I'm going to have today. So let's get started. So guys, let's get started. It's our first trading session of the day. So every trading session is going to be around like 10 minutes or something. We're just going to open a few trades and we will see what kind of result we can have for every 10 minutes trading session. So as you can see now, I start with just $100 on my balance. And this is actually the amount of money that a lot of the beginners start with. And I think this is perfect because that's how you can use 1% of your deposit, just $1, and you can use a catch-up in case of something. So here we can change our amount of money. Let's change it to 5% today so we can have some more results. After we go to the indicators, choose momentum and zigzag as well. It's not the indicators I usually use for the trading session, but if I just want to try something else for our new video today. So now I'm looking for the currency pair to open a trade on. Also here we can see it was the previous resistance level and our price already broke that level and went higher. Let's change to 3 minutes and we open here a buy trade because again by the zigzag we can see that that was pretty interesting correction for now. So by the zigzag we can see that our trend is the upward, definitely. We can see it by the line of the zigzag. And on the momentum we can see that the last 3 pin bars on the chart is green colors. They are about the zero level, so it's definitely giving us the buy signal. So now you will see my trade really fast because I'm gonna speed up the video so you will not wait that long. If we go to the settings of the zigzag, it's all fine. We don't need to change there anything. You can change some of the settings so you will have more lines on the chart, so that will give you more information, but actually we don't need that. So let's change our amount of money to $10 so we can open the catch up here. Yeah, let's open here a buy trade. So you can see how the catch up looks like and how they work. So for example, if we don't close the first trade in the plus, we need to double our amount of money per trade from $5 to $10 and we open a new trade. So that's how we will cover our losses from the $5 and still will have the plus. So now we wait till the end of our trades. So guys, here as we can see, it fluctuates a lot, but I'm really sure that we're going to close the trade of $10 in the plus. So I'm thinking to open a double up here. Here is the button. So I'm opening it. So that's how we will even have more profit for this trade. So it's 55 seconds till the first trade and almost 2 minutes till the second one. So let's wait. So yeah, till the first trade, it's 5 seconds. So we definitely not gonna close that. But as you can see, yeah, that happened. But it's absolutely fine. And that's why you need to use 1% rule. So that's how you will not be scary to, for example, not close some of the trade in a plus because you can always open a catch up as I did. And as you can see, now it's 50 seconds and we're confidently in the plus and we're gonna have almost $15 of profits from these 2 trades. As you can see, it's plus 7.6 for each. So that's how we're gonna cover losses of $5 and still have a profit. So let's wait. It's 25 seconds because on this video I also want to show you how it's all going, the catch-ups and everything, because a lot of the traders actually on the YouTube, they're not showing the losings and they're showing in every of the video that they're closing all of the trades in the plus. And I also have this kind of the situation when even in trading sessions in real time, I close all of the 9 trades in the plus, for example, but this is really rare. So I want to show you everything how it actually is. It's 2 seconds, one, and we close these 2 trades in the plus confidently. Perfect. So now let's change our amount of money to $5 again, 2 minutes, and we open a buy trade again because it's still the continuation of the upward trend. The first trade, as you can see, we didn't close in the plus just by one reason, because it was some correction that we couldn't know for sure. We couldn't know for 100% that is going to happen because it was pretty good start of the upward trend and we just got in that. It's absolutely fine, and that's why also money management and catch-up system is really important. And that's why also all of this I don't know, strategies on the YouTube or some AIs or something, as the other traders say that, oh, you can have 100% profitable signals with the strategy, with this AI bot or something. It's not working because you cannot predict the future movement of the chart for 100%. And even all of the AIs that really smart, all of the strategies, sometimes it's not working at some point. So it's better to use, for example, some kind of the strategies, even some AIs if you want it. For example, I was having recently the video with the ChatGPT where I was asking it to give me a signal, and okay, I was checking the analyze that the ChatGPT was giving to me, but at the same time I was making the decision by myself. This is the main rule. So now we have here 45 seconds till the end of a trade. That's a bit lower, but let's wait here. And guys, for those who's watching this video right now and thinking, but guys, I have absolutely great news for you. If you have lost in all of this indicator and you don't know how to choose what is that and everything, I have absolutely free document for you about all of the basic indicators that I really like to use in my training session, and maybe it will be also useful for you. So you can just text me in the Telegram, in the private messages. You can find the link in the description of this video, and I'm gonna send it to you absolutely for free, and we're gonna continue trading. So guys, now we have 5 seconds till the end of our trade. This is definitely not the best start of the video. Okay, we didn't close this trade in a plus, even though it was kind of close. Okay, let's change our amount of money and open a buy trade for 2 minutes. Again, as we can see, we got here a lot of the correction candle at the previous resistance level. And as you can see before, our price broke this resistance level, but now started fluctuating there. So yeah, it's kind of tricky, but at the same time, it's still possible to work with this currency pair. So that's why I want to show you how you can do it also in live time. So let's wait here till the end of our trade. How are we gonna close this catch up? So guys, now we have 30 seconds till the end of our trade. As we can see, it reversed pretty well. That's what we wanted. So now it's 22 seconds till the end of our trade. Let's wait 20 seconds. Okay. Come on. Okay, it's 15 seconds. I can see some red candle there. I don't like it, please. I don't want to look at that. So it's 8 seconds for now. Plus 4 points. Oh my god. 2, 1, and we close the trade in a plus, guys. Perfect. So we made not that much. We started from $100 and we made 116, but this is only our first trading session of the day. That was just for 10 minutes, as I told you before. And now I'm gonna wait some time. Also, the market is gonna change and we're gonna start the second trading session. So guys, it's been a while and it's the time for a second trading session. So now we need to find the currency pair where we're gonna open our trade. Here's pretty good start of the downward trend. Let's check it out on M5. On M5 it also looks pretty nice. It's fine. So let's change our time to 3 minutes and open here a sell trade for 3 minutes. For now, I'm just gonna check some other currency pairs. As we can see, the payout is plus 76%, so it's not that many currency pairs that we can choose, but it's fine. It's a pretty good upward trend there before. We achieved the resistance level and it started reversing in a downward direction. We can see it by the zigzag, we can see it by the momentum also. On the momentum, the last 3 pin bars is red color. They are below the 0 level, so it's a pretty good sign to open a trade in the downward direction. So here, let's wait till the end of our trade. So again, we got some corrective candle here. As you can see, today we're kind of lucky on that. Okay, so I'm gonna change the amount of money per trade. Let's do it to $15. And oh my god, I'm gonna open here another sell trade for 3 minutes. Okay, here is definitely good entry point. Sometimes it's happening, as you can see, and nobody can do anything with that. For example, we opened a trade when it was pretty already consistent and strong start of the downward trend, and boom, we just got a green corrective candle and we just didn't have enough time. Also, maybe we needed to choose more time per trade, like 4 or 5 minutes, so our price will have the time to reverse. But at the same time, with this corrective candle, I don't think so. So that's why I already opened a catch up here. It's 35 seconds till our first trade and 2.5 minutes till our second trade, so let's wait. So guys, for now we have 15 seconds for now till the end of a trade. As you can see now, it's reversed pretty good, but it's still higher than the previous entry point for the first trade. So definitely we would not close that. Sometimes it's happening, it's absolutely fine, especially on the real market. 2, 1, and we close the trade in a plus. Perfect. Here it is. Here it is. That's why I love the catch-up system, because it's literally saving all of my result. So I changed to 5% again. It's $6.11. So now let's change time to 2 minutes and open here. So we're gonna open here sell trade for 2 minutes for $6. It's not that much. We're gonna make not that big result, you know, but I'm showing you actually how my trading session going, because again, I'm recommending to use 1 to 5% of your deposit, in best case actually 1%. I understand that that's how it could be longer for you to achieve your result and everything, but at the same time it's better to have consistent but small result every day than, you know, for example, to have plus 50% to your deposit because you just were using a lot of the money per trade, and after, you know, to have minus 20%. Do you need that? I don't think so. It's like, you know, it's like with the diets. For example, if you will go just step by step, for example, you're just calculating your calories, you go to gym every day, or for example, 3-4 times in a day by 30-40 minutes, it's absolutely fine. You do your steps, you do everything really easy, really step by step. So again, we'll continue talking about that after. I'm gonna open here catch up because I can see again it's reversing in an upward direction. I changed it to $15 and we open a buy trade. Today market is not the easiest one, but we're trying to handle it as much as possible. So I was telling you about that if you will go to the gym 3-4 times per week, really easy, calm, without, you know, too much activities. I mean, like, it will not absolutely change your life, you know, that you only think about the sport and everything. You will eat really healthy, but at the same time you will be full. Everything is gonna be fine, so you don't have any eating disorders after. It's gonna be fine because you're gonna have a small but consistent result every day. But if you will decide to go on the really hard diet when you almost don't eat anything, for example, you eat only rice or you eat only chicken, you go and run 10 kilometers every day, of course, at first you're gonna lose minus 5 kilograms in a week, but after you're gonna gain plus 10 because your body is so much stressed. By the way, our first rate in the plus for now, okay, it's 5 seconds, 4, 3, oh my god, 2, 1. Okay, we closed our first trade, even though we didn't expect that. So that's why we opened a catch up. But we're gonna see our second trade, how it's gonna go. For now, let's change our amount of money per trade. Maybe we weren't gonna close the second one, so we're gonna be super lucky today. Let's see. So guys, now we have 8 seconds till the end of this trade. It was kind of closer in 3 points. We still have a chance, huh? No? Oh my god, no, we didn't close the trade in the plus. Okay, it's fine. I think it's time to change the currency pair because this one is kind of tricky. For example, Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Pretty big candles. Pretty big candles. So the volatility is kind of crazy here, I'm sure. Let's change to M5, for example. We can see a pretty strong downward trend. Okay, so we changed to 3 minutes and we open here as sell trade for $35 as a catch up. Okay, let's cross our fingers and let's wait. So guys, now we have 35 seconds to the end of a trade. It's going well, it's going well. I hope so. So 27 seconds. Today is not the best market ever. It's pretty hard to find a good currency pair actually, but we're trying to work with that as much as possible. So now it's 15 seconds, guys. Okay, let's cross our finger. Oh no, I hope it's not gonna happen. Oh my god, I hate this kind of the situation, really. 5 seconds. Okay, I'm trying not to look at that. 2, 1, and we close this trade in plus. Here we are. So we started our second trading session with a balance of 116, if I'm right, and now it's 138. So it's good. Step by step, we are making our small but consistent result. Even though the market today is not the best again, I'm gonna mention that, but we are gonna continue soon on the third trading session. So guys, it's time for our third trading session. It's been some time, like an hour, and now we're gonna trade again. So we change our amount of money for trades, time of the expiration, and we're gonna check some currency pair. Euro and Canadian dollar is kind of interesting. Wow, what was going on there? Okay, here we're gonna open a buy trade definitely for 2 minutes. On the momentum, we can see the last pin bars is green color. They are above the zero level, so it's definitely a buy signal. But the zigzag, we can see the same. Even though the last 2 candles is red colors with some upper shadows. But for now, we're just following a trend. We're not going against the trend. We still didn't have... Okay, now I'm taking my words back. No, I'm kidding. We still have some time. And we still have time to close the trade. And plus, we're gonna see that. So that's why today we're not risking too much. You know, we're not putting like 30%, 40% of our deposit per trade. It's just 5. Just 5. So that's how we can open the catch up in case of something. So let's wait. Now it's reversing. Pretty good. 1 minute and 17 seconds till the end of trade. Yeah, but on the other currency pairs, so the payout is so much lower, so that's why I choose this one. So let's wait here. So guys, we have just 6 seconds to the end of a trade. The bucket option lagged a little bit, sorry. I don't see the result. Oh, okay, we closed the trade in a plus, perfect. Sorry, something was with my internet probably. So yeah, that's good. That's nice. Yeah, we can see it's uploading pretty long. So let's wait a little bit. Perfect. Here we can see all of our trades for today. And let's upload again. And we're gonna find some other currency pair for opening a trade. For example, Euro and Canadian dollar. Okay, we're gonna change our amount of money per trade. Time of the expiration to 3, and we're gonna open a buy trade, even though it's kind of big green candle going on right now. So after it could be some fluctuations and everything, but at the same time, to open a trade against the trend, here it's not the case definitely. So we're gonna wait and let's gonna see the result soon. So guys, now we have, it's again locked a little bit. 10 seconds, 9 till the end of a trade. We are in the plus. Everything is good. Okay, select a little bit again. In 1 second, we close this trade in the plus. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So that's why it's better to follow the trend, guys, and not go against that. So let's change the time to 2 minutes and we open a buy trade again because it's still the continuation of the upward trend and it looks pretty nice. So we're just gonna follow it. Let's wait here. So for this trade, we're not that lucky. It's 12 seconds and we got some reversal, even though it was not that many signs of that. So we're gonna open the catch up now. Here we open a buy trade for 2 minutes for $15.50. That's perfect. Okay. Yeah, we got some corrections, but I think it's still gonna be the continuation of the upward trend. So let's cross our fingers and wait. So guys, now we have just that 5 seconds till the end. It's so close, there are 3 points. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, no, we didn't close the trade. So let's change our time to 1 minute. Let's wait for the next candle to appear on the chart. Just 3 seconds till the new candle. Okay, we're gonna open here a sell trade already for 1 minute because I was opening still the buy trade because it could be the risk that it just corrective candles and our chart will go in the upward direction again. But here already now we can see that it's already strong reversal with a lot of the red candles. We can see already also the red pin bars on the momentum, even though we still don't have the signal from the zigzag because it's delayed a little bit sometimes. So now we have 30 seconds, we are in the plus. Everything is going pretty great. Pretty great for now. Okay, 25 seconds. Let's wait. So from this trade, we're gonna have the profit of $31 plus 35 that we prefer trade. So it's gonna be 160 or something as the, I hope, end of this third trading session. So let's wait. It's 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we close this trade at a plus. Okay, perfect. So guys, now the result is $159. I think this is pretty good for just 3 trading sessions by 10 minutes each, but it's not the end. It's gonna be a 4th trading session now. So guys, now it's gonna be the time for the 4th trading session. The balance again is 159. So it's been some time. Now it's already 10 a.m. by the UTC plus 0. So the market is already waking up better and better. Let's change our amount of money per trade. And here's a pretty good one. We open here a sell trade for 2 minutes. By the zigzag, we can see the sell signal, and we still have some time and distance till the previous support level. By the momentum, we can see a lot of the red pin bars above and below the 0 level. So it's definitely a pretty strong downward trend here. So let's wait for the result. So now it's 12 seconds, guys, till the end of a trade. We are in the plus. I think now the trades will be so much easier because the market is more confident. So it's 3, 2, 1, and we close the trade in the plus. Okay, perfect. So we change to 5% again, and we're gonna open a sell trade again, and I'm gonna open a double up here because we want to make a little bit more. So let's wait. It's still the continuation of the downward trend. So that's why I opened here a sell trade for 3 minutes. So guys, now it's 32 seconds till the end of our trade. And as we can see, we got some corrections, or maybe it's the reversal time. Okay, now we can see some red candle. 20 seconds. Oh my God. I hope it will go a bit lower, but it's kind of far away from our entry point, so I don't think so. Maybe. No. It's playing with me. Okay, plus 10 points. It was. Oh my God, no way. No way. You could see how close it was. Okay, so here we're gonna open a sell trade again for 2 minutes because as we can see, it's a pretty big red candle happened on the chart. And we also can see the upper wicks on the previous green candles that's showing us that the buyers cannot break this level and go higher. And that's why this upper wicks created on the candles. So let's wait for this trade. And I think we're gonna close that. So guys, it's 11 seconds till the end of our trade. Let's wait. Okay, it's 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we close that. Perfect. Now the result already $182.30. I think this is pretty good. And we're going to continue on the 5th trading session. Yeah, today it's a lot of them. So guys, it's the 5th trading session. I'm going to change the amount of money per trade to 5% again. And the indicator says the same. Let's check some currency pairs. Okay. On the M5 time frame. So we changed to the time frame of M5. Okay, here we can see it was the upward trend before. Now it's a downward trend with some corrections. So we open a sell trade for 3 minutes. By the momentum, we can see it's red pin bars below the 0 level. And we see that our trade is going pretty well. It's 250 till the end. Let's wait. So now it's 20 seconds, guys, till the end of our trade. As we can see, it reversed pretty confidently. So we're definitely going to close this trade in a plus. Let's wait. And we're going to have plus $8 from this trade. So it's 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we close this trade in the plus. I already changed the amount of money per trade. Let's change it again to 5%. And we're going to open a sell trade again for 3 minutes. So the continuation of the downward trend, we're not going to open it against it. So again, for 3 minutes, but the momentum is the same, but it's exactly the same. So we are following our trend. It's perfect. So guys, now we have 33 seconds till the end of our trade, but I'm actually thinking to open another trade, maybe for now, because it's pretty good entry point. We changed to $10 and we open another trade here. That's interesting. It would be better to open a trade here actually. But it's fine. It's 11 seconds till the end of our first trade. Okay, minus 2 points. Let's wait. 4, 3. Oh my God, I'm trying not to breathe. 1, and we close the trade in a plus. Perfect. Perfect. Let's wait for the second one for now. I hope it's gonna be good. So here's we can see, still red candles. It's kind of closer in 3 points. But we're still not in the plus, so I'm thinking to opening a double up here. already on the better entry point, so that's how we can close at least one of the trades. As we can see, the time of the expiration is the same. It's 1 minute 30 seconds for each of them. Okay, we're not touching it and we're just waiting. So guys, we got some corrective candles here, or maybe it's the start of the reversal as well. It could be. We can see it also on the momentum. So we're gonna change our amount of money per trade, and we're gonna risk pretty well. We can see some red candles pretty close to our entry point, at least for the second trade that we opened before, but we didn't close it. It's fine. So we changed our time of the expiration to 2 minutes, and we're gonna open a sell trade for $50. Let's do that. Just comparing to our deposit, $50 is a lot, but as we can see, it achieved again the previous resistance level. You can see my horizontal line, and it started reversing in a downward direction, so showing that the buyers cannot break this level. So that's why I'm still opening a sell trade here. So let's wait. So guys, now it's 18 seconds till the end of this trade. It's so close to our entry point. Look at that, plus 3 points, but it's fluctuating a lot. Okay, if we didn't close this trade, we're gonna open the next one for all of the that we have in the balance. Okay, now it's reversing. Oh, it was so close. No way, you saw that. Okay, we didn't. So we're gonna change our currency pair. For example, Swiss franc and Japanese yen. Here we're gonna open a buy trade for 129 for 3 minutes. I don't want to look at that, but here we can see on the zigzag that the line of the zigzag is moving in the upward direction. But in momentum, we can see that there is a green pin bars above the zero level, so everything is going pretty well. Let's wait here. It's 2 minutes 35 seconds for now. So now it's 45 seconds till the end of a trade, and we are confidently in the plus. It's perfect. But at least in this case, we're gonna get a pretty good result and almost doubling our amount of money on the balance. That's pretty interesting. Okay, let's wait. It's 20 seconds for now. Okay, I'm not briefing. 15 seconds. Okay, 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we close this trade in a plus as well. Okay, perfect. Even though we started with 182, if I'm right, so it's pretty good. Plus $60 for this trading session, and it's not the end. We're gonna do another one really soon. So it's the time for our 6th trading session, guys. Let's choose the currency pair. We change amount of money per trade to 5%, and again we changed Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Let's change it and see on the M5 time frame. We can see a pretty strong upward trend, but at the same time we can see already some reversal that's happening on the chart. Okay, here's pretty good. We're gonna open a buy trade here for 3 minutes. We can see that it's definitely the upward trend, yeah, with a lot of the corrections, but I think for now it will go really good. So it's 2 minutes and 45 seconds till the end, and let's wait here. As you can see now, it's going the upward direction pretty confidently. So it's 13 seconds till the end of a trade. Yeah, the volatility here is kind of strong, but at the same time it's good for us because we're confidently gonna close this trade. So it's 3 seconds, 2, 1, and we close it in the plus. Perfect. So we're gonna change to 5% again. Well, it's almost $13, and we're gonna open a buy trade on the same chart for 3 minutes for now. On the momentum, we also can see that the last pin bars is green color. They are above the zero level. The line of zigzag is moving in the upward direction, so everything is pretty good. So let's wait here. So guys, now we can see a pretty strong reversal in a downward direction. So we're gonna wait a little bit to definitely open a catch up. As you can see, the volatility is not great sometime. It's almost achieved their previous support level. It's crazy. So we're gonna open here a sell trade for 2 minutes for $30 here, and we're gonna wait. I'm not really a big fan of this kind of the charts, of course, but this is one of the charts with the payout of 91%, so that's why we chose that. So let's wait. The first trade, I think we're not gonna close definitely, and we're gonna wait for the second one. So now it's 14 seconds till the end of this trade, and it's reversed again in the upward direction already. No comments. So we're gonna wait for a good entry point, and we're gonna open a sell trade here for 65 for 2 minutes because we can see a pretty big upper wick on the last candle, showing us that the buyers cannot go higher, but actually it's also the volatility here that's giving us this kind of the signals, and sometimes it's really hard to predict the future movement of the chart. So that's why again it's important to use 1 to 5% of your deposit per trade, and also use the catch-up system in case of something. So in this kind of the situations, and believe me, you will have it, you can use that. So now we have 8 seconds. On this currency pair, we're not the luckiest one, definitely. So we didn't close this trade. It's fine. So we're gonna check it out and find a new currency pair. Okay. So here, it's a pretty good one. We're gonna open a sell trade for 2 minutes on Australian and Canadian dollar. We were already trading on this today. And here is more confident and consistent downward trend. So let's gonna wait, because it's all of the deposit that we use now for one trade. And it's not bad rules, definitely, but today market is kind of tricky, definitely. So for now, guys, it's 11 seconds, 10 seconds till the end of a trade. Let's wait. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we closed this trade confidently in the plus. We have 290 on the balance. Of course, that wasn't the easiest one, definitely, especially the currency pair with pretty strong volatility, but we made it. That's it. That's it. I need some rest before our last 7th trading session. So guys, it's our last 7th trading session. So yeah, the previous one, the 6th one, was pretty difficult, but now we're gonna make it all good, because it's already 3 p.m. by UTC +0, so the market is more consistent and confident. So here's pretty good currency pair, and we're gonna open here a sell trade for 3 minutes. So we can see it's pretty good downward trend. By the momentum, we can see there is a red pin bars below the 0 level. With the zigzag, we can also get the sell signal. Here we can see some green candle, but I think this is just a corrective one. Of course, it could be also the start of the reversal, how we like it, but at the same time, we can see on the previous movement of the chart that it was also 3 green candles, and after that, the downward trend was still continuing. And here I also got 3 minutes instead of 2, so that's how our price have the time to reverse in case of something. So let's wait here. So here we can see it's reversing pretty strong in the upward direction, so I'm thinking to open here a rollover. So that's how we doubled our amount of money per trade, and we're gonna wait here. So guys, we have 12 seconds here, and as we can see, the rollover almost helped us, and it's 3 red candles now, pretty closer on 3 point. It's just +6 points, +7, but we just didn't have like this enough. Okay, so we're gonna change the currency pair. Today the market is kind of tricky, but I'm showing you the way it is, so you will also know how to react in this kind of the situation. So here's pretty good currency pair, so we're gonna open here a sell trade for 2 minutes, because we can see that the zigzag is a sell signal, but the momentum also, the last pin bars is red color, and they are below the 0 level, so we're gonna wait here. Guys, here we got the same situation. We got some reversal candles, so we're gonna wait, and we're gonna open a sell trade for 2 minutes again for all of the amount of money that we have. We're risking a lot, actually. We opened it for 2 minutes, so let's wait here. Let's wait. I don't want to even look at that, actually. So guys, now it's 20 seconds till the end, and it's going really well. It started working really well only when we do the last catch up. Okay, so it's 10 seconds for now. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we closed this trade in the plus. Okay, perfect. We made it. We made it. It was not easy, really. But it was 7 trading sessions, so that's why. But at the same time, it was a short one, by 10 minutes each, and we still made a pretty good result. So now we also gonna check the real account overall statistic for today. So we're gonna go to the calendar and we see the result here. So it was 33 trades, profitable trades is 52%, trading turnover $1,034, trading profit $274.49. Maximum trade was 196. It was the last one that we made. Minimum trade $5. So maximum profit is 178. So that's how, guys, you can also check it out, your statistic every day, and put it in your trading diary as well. You can even check it out, the trades distribution, trades number, how many won, how many lost. So it's pretty good, I think, right? So guys, it was really unusual new format for me to do 7 trading sessions in one video by 10 minutes each, but it was kind of nice experience, and if you like it, I would definitely do it one more time. But my goal was to show you how our trading session going in the web club channel, because usually we have like 1 or 2 trading session per day for 1 hour each. And yeah, in today's video I was trading for around like 1 hour, and it was actually the time of 1 regular trading session in my web club channel. So that's what kind of also result you can make if you trade consistently, step by step. Yeah, you will not have some absolutely crazy result, but at the same time it's better to have consistent but small results. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to put the like, to leave the comments, to subscribe, and we're gonna see each other on the next trading session. Bye bye.